Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today we are making Palak Tofu, that is Palak Paneer but with tofu. For that I have taken 3 cups of chopped spinach, half cup of fresh homemade tofu that I have cut into tiny cubes, half cup of onions that I have chopped roughly, 1 cup of tomatoes that I have chopped roughly, 4 green chillies that I have slit lengthwise, 10 curry leaves that I have washed, and 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. For spices, I have taken turmeric, salt, chilli powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, jeera, 5 dried red chillies. All the ingredients and their measurements are listed in the description box down below. I'll be using 4 tablespoons of oil to make the curry. Firstly, let's boil the spinach. Boil the spinach for not more than 3 minutes. After 3 minutes of boiling, take the spinach out of the boiling water. I have placed a strainer on top of a large bowl and I am transferring the spinach into the strainer. Pour some cold water on the spinach to stop it from cooking further. Now, I have taken a pan on a low-medium flame. I am heating 2 tablespoons of oil. I have added the onions to the oil and 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute for 2 minutes. Keep the flame on medium. Now I have added chillies and tomatoes to the pan and saute for 4 to 5 minutes or until the tomatoes are a little mushy. After 5 minutes, I have taken the spinach and the onion and tomatoes and green chillies into a grinder. Let them cool for a bit and I have grinded them into a smooth paste. This is the base of the Palak Paneer ready now. To a pan, I have added 1 tablespoon of oil, sauteed the dry chillies and curry leaves and I have added the spinach puree. Now let it cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I am adding in the tofu to the palak mixture. You can use regular paneer to make this palak paneer, but today I am using tofu that I have made at home. I made a video on how to make tofu and soya milk from soya beans. So do check it if you want to make tofu at home. After 3 minutes, remove the palak tofu from the flame and it is ready to be served. Serve with some roti or any other flatbread that you like. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope you will give it a try. Please do subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.